Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home. Today I'm so excited to once again collaborate with Hillary from My So-Called Home, which is now Old World Home, in this $5 Goodwill challenge. So I've been doing this pretty much every season since I've started YouTube. It's so much fun. I love going over to Goodwill or to the thrift store or to a garage sale, whatever I can find to find something inexpensive to decorate my home, especially for the holiday season. So I actually have a lot of Christmas decor in my house already, so it was a little bit tricky trying to find something that wasn't going to just add more clutter to my house. And I'm really excited to show you what I found today on Hillary's $5 Goodwill challenge. And please make sure that you go ahead and check the description below for a link to all of the other channels that participated in this challenge. It's really a lot of fun to see what everyone has come up with. So I wanted to get something that I could use as a gift idea for people who I share cookies with over the holiday season. I bake a lot of cookies for Christmas, and I love to find creative ways to gift them to my friends and family. And I've done things such as cookie jars and tins, and I've also done like those just throwaway kind of what are they, by Ziploc, those little containers. So I've shared my cookies in various different ways, but when I saw this at our local Salvation Army, I could not even believe how beautiful it was. Let me show you. So they had these snowmen plates, and you can see here it was $4.99, but it wasn't $4.99 just for this one beautiful ceramic plate. I actually got 5 of them, and I won't show them to you individually because they're all the same pattern, but here's the other 4, and they're just so cute. And what I really love most about these is they are winter themed. So they're not just for the Christmas holiday season. You can use this throughout the entire winter. So if I gift this to somebody at Christmas time, they can use this plate to either display cookies on or to just use over the entire winter season. So I just thought it was really cute. You can even actually put it on like one of those little pedestals or easels or whatever they're called and display it in your dining room or in your kitchen, because I just think it's adorable. They look like they're hand painted. It's a boy and a girl snowman, and it's really a nicely made plate. Like, it has a lot of weight to it, and it's dishwasher safe. It's microwave safe, so I think that's good too. You don't have to worry about hand washing it, and I think they are really, really cute. I'm so excited that I found these, and I am really glad that I participated in this Goodwill challenge once again so that I was able to go out and find something fun to share with you guys. So I really do hope that you enjoyed what I found. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of fun holiday related videos coming up. I have recently shared stocking stuffers and gift ideas and gifts for pets from the Dollar Tree. So I just have a lot of fun stuff. And when you're watching this video, I am probably just getting back from my Walt Disney World trip. So I have a lot of travel vlogs coming up, a lot of reviews and resort tours and things like that. And I am also going to be doing Vlogmas, and I'm so excited because you guys really, really seem to love my Vlogtober videos. So I think Vlogmas is going to be a lot of fun to share with you too. Thank you so very much for watching. If you're not following me yet over at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, please go ahead and follow me over there. I pretty much share my daily life every day over on Instagram. And please also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so that I can update you every time I have a new and fun video to share. I hope you're all off to a great holiday season, and I will see you real soon. Take care. Bye.